How does that look?
It looks so delicious.
You ready? Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be making Palak Paneer. We'd like to say a special thank you to Bouja Strook, Nakshatraa, and Soumya for recommending us to make the Palak Paneer.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's do this.
Yes.
All right, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to use for Palak Paneer. Of course, we have the star of the show. We have our palak. I'm using the baby spinach because it's tender and I think tastier than the large spinach. And of course, we have the paneer, and I've cubed it up about a ½ inch size. You cube it up to whatever size you want to use. We'll do that. We have a 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil. I have 1 diced tomato, 1 onion, finely chopped, and then we have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 chili diced, a dozen cashew nuts, 1/8 teaspoon of kasuri methi leaves, a ½ teaspoon of garam masala, and a whole spice blend where I have about 1 inch of fresh cinnamon, 2 cardamom pods, 2 cloves, and about 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. Okay, we'll start off in a medium-sized skillet with the burner on high. We'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. We'll get that heated up. Then we're going to add the spinach and the chili to it. We'll cook the spinach and chili for about 3 to 4 minutes until the spinach is nice and wilted down. So there's the chili. Should wilt down real quick. Okay, now we're going to get the rest of the spice blend ready to go. Going to add the remainder of the coconut oil into the pan. Get that nice and melted down. Then I'm going to add the whole spice to it. Onion. Smelling good. That cinnamon's really opened up, and the cardamom pods are opening up. Cumin seeds are opening up. Wow. We've always loved Palak Paneer though. It's so flavorful. I guess this would be why. All right, the onions are nice and transparent now. And I'll add the ginger garlic paste. Ooh, that ginger garlic paste smells good too. Next I'll add the tomato. We'll fry the tomatoes for about a minute or two until they break down. Okay, now we'll add the rest of the spices. We'll add the kasuri methi. And the garam masala. And we'll saute this until the spices kind of soften up, break down a little bit, not so potent and raw smelling. At least that's what the recipe says. And by the way, I'll put the recipe down in the description below so you can check it out. This is actually my first time making this version of Palak Paneer before. It's a really neat looking recipe for it. Like I said, I've never seen all these types of spices in Palak Paneer. So it should be very interesting. Okay, now I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. And we will let this go until the water evaporates. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and get our pepper and palak blended up in the blender with the cashews. We have the spinach and the pepper, the chili in the blender, and now we'll add the cashew nuts. Okay, that's nicely blended. Now we'll go ahead and add it to our spice mixture. Okay, we've turned the heat down to low. We've added the spinach and cashew blend to the spices. And we'll mix this well and get it all nice and incorporated. Okay, we're just about there. The last step, we're going to go ahead and add the paneer. It is looking and smelling incredible. Time to get it into a bowl and put it to the test. Well, how does that look?
It looks so delicious.
You ready to put it to the test?
I am.
Okay, we're ready to put it to the test.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We have some chapati to go with it now.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That is so good.
Had to pull a Nakunj on that one.
It is really good.
That is flavorful. Yeah, this is the first time making this recipe. Normally I don't use the variety of spices that this recipe calls for. This turned out really nice.
Makes a big difference.
It has a lot of flavor. Wow.
It definitely does. Oh, that's gonna be a big bite.
I was a little concerned about the spice level when I was chopping up the pepper. It was very, very spicy. Even though it's the same variety of pepper that I've been using the whole time, this particular one was much spicier. I mean, it just started making my eyes water. It was so spicy.
I taste it, but it's milder than I expected in the dish.
Yeah. Yeah, I removed all the seeds in the spine, so it's not spicy at all in the dish, but it was dicing it up. You know, I'm curious. Indian food is, I mean, hands down the most flavorful food in the world.
Yeah.
Do Indians take it for granted? I mean,
I don't
that
know. Like we take some
this
of
is
our
just
stuff
a
for
daily
granted.
thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments, because
This is just like an average
we can't.
dish for you.
Every time we try something new, it's just
Yeah.
blows our
'Cause
mind.
We take our food for granted. I mean, we just eat it and,
Yeah.
it's the same flavor, same taste, same look, same everything. And we just eat. This was awesome.
Yes, yes. Yeah, thank you so much, Bouja, Nakshatraa, and Soumya for recommending us to make this dish. It's incredible.
It is. It's really, really, really good.
Yeah, so like I said in the kitchen, I'll put the link to the recipe down in the description below. And I tell you what, I'm not going to be making Palak Paneer the way I used to make it in the past.
Yeah.
This is it now.
That won't fly anymore.
Yeah, this is just so flavorful.
It truly is.
Wow. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you. Bye.